This is a 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Value Package, a navigation system, a remote start feature, traction control and stability control systems, a DVD player, XM satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: chrome wheels, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Moritz Chevrolet Chrysler Jeep Dodge is located at 9101 Camp Bowie in Fort Worth. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.